and welcome to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. Today we are going to make aloo and peppers, which is potatoes and peppers curry. To begin with, we are going to chop one medium sliced onion, thinly sliced. And we've got one medium tomato. So I'm going to add 1/3 cup of oil in my pan, and probably another one. So I'll say around about half cup. So once the pan is heated, I'm going to add in my onions. So I'm looking at the 5 to 6 minutes of my onions, just until it's a little translucent, till it's light golden. And we're now going to cut one red pepper and one green. Give it a nice chop. And we'll add one small pepper, just for some color. So we're now going to add in one medium-sized tomato. I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can do per your taste. So I now have 3 medium-sized potatoes. We do prefer them to be skin on. It is your choice if you want skin on or skin off. Just gonna slice them thinly. So I'm going to add in the 3 medium potatoes. Thinly sliced. Give it a nice stir. So we're going to add the potatoes once the onions and tomatoes have been nice and mushed. I'm going to add the rest of my spices as well now. So I've got a teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm going to do that too. Again, it's your choice how spicy you'd like it. Teaspoon of coriander, teaspoon of cumin, I'm going to add in a cup of water. And we're cooking on medium to low heat for approximately until the potatoes have been cooked, just until they're soft. And once the potatoes are soft, we can add in the peppers. So we're now going to add in the peppers. It's been say 10 to 15 minutes, around about, just until our potatoes are soft. I'm going to add in the peppers now. Just going to cook the peppers for a couple of minutes. Don't want it to be too soft. Just have a bit of crunch. I'm just going to cook it for another 5 minutes, and if you need some water you can add in half cup. If not, you should be fine on medium-low heat. So I've just added a cup of water just so that the potatoes can get a little more softer. So I'm just going to reduce it, not until it's too thick, just until it's in the middle. It's looking lovely here. It is another grandma's recipe, so we do hope you do enjoy it. It's a quick, simple recipe. So you can see I've just given the potatoes a bit of a cut. It's fully cooked. I'm now going to add a little coriander on. So it's not too thick, it's just perfect consistency. So our dish is now ready. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll be on the link down below. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye.